Hello everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy, healthy, home-cooked recipe. To all my followers, thank you for your continued supports on my channel. And to those who are new here, welcome to my channel, and I hope you will enjoy and learn from today's video. I hope you can able to finish this recipe and subscribes at the end of the video. Today I prepare another easy chicken recipe, which is oven-grilled chicken. To begin, have 3 pieces of chicken legs. Slice in 3 parts. For the seasonings, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of thymian, and teaspoon of basil. Then toast all the ingredients by massaging the chicken. Do it all over through the chicken. Cover it and let it for an hour, or if you have time, do it overnight. After marinating, cover with aluminum foil. Then put it inside the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for an hour. Take it out from the oven. Remove the aluminum foil, then put it back at the oven with same temperature for about 20 minutes. Easy oven-grilled chicken, juicy inside and crispy outside. I hope you learn and enjoy today's recipe. Don't forget to follow or subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. Have a happy, healthy meal.